Good morning, children. Today, in this module, you will learn about the physical quantities and measurement in physics. Importance of measurement. Why is measurement important? We all make measurements in our daily life. For example, when we give a certain piece of cloth to the tailor for stitching, he takes the measurement for the length of the shirt or the trouser with the help of a measuring tape. Then you go to school every day. Now, the peon in the school rings the bell after each period. Why does he do so? He needs to measure the time interval with a clock. You go to the market, you buy fruits and vegetables. You will see that the vegetable seller measures the mass of the fruits or vegetables with the help of a balance. When we are suffering from fever, the doctor measures our body temperature with a thermometer. So here you see that in our daily life, measurement is a very important. Without measurement, we cannot do anything. Our senses of touch or sight, they are not reliable for measurement. For example, if you just look at your pencil box, will you be able to tell the exact length of the pencil box? No, you cannot. You can say the approximate value, supposedly say as 10 centimeter. Another person can say it to be as 20 centimeter, but you won't be able to say it correctly unless you measure it properly. So our senses are subjective. Therefore, we need to use the tools or the instruments to get an exact measurement. Measurement, a process of comparison. For measurement, we need a universally accepted unit, and then we find how many times that unit is contained in the quantity. Let us see this example and understand it. If we say a mass of sugar is 2 kg. Now, mass of sugar is 2 kg. What does this 2 kg represent? It means that the unit of mass here is kg, that is kilogram. And how many times you are using this unit kilogram? 2 times. So here 2 kg represents a numerical value which is 2, that is the number of times the unit is used, and kg is the unit of mass. Choice of unit. The unit must have the following properties. It should be of convenient size and it must be universally accepted. That is, the value of the unit must remain same at all places and at all times, so that each and every scientist or each and every person throughout the world can use that same unit. It should not change with the place or time. So to measure a quantity, we choose a known fixed quantity of that kind as the unit, and then we find the number of times that fixed quantity is contained in the given quantity. So basically, measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Now the basic physical quantities. A quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity. In our daily life, we measure the following 4 basic physical quantities. They are the length, mass, time, and temperature. The scientists all over the world in 1960 accepted a set of units for measuring the same basic physical quantities. This set of units are known as the standard international units, or we write it as SI units. Now, let me explain to you about length, mass, time and temperature and their measurement. In the past, different units were used to measure the length, mass and time in different countries. So, there were three systems of units. You see the first table over here. In this, you can see the system, unit and symbol of length, unit and symbol of mass, and unit and symbol of time is written over here. And the three different system of units. The first one is the centimeter, gram, second, known as the CGS system. Now, in this CGS system, the unit of length was taken to be as centimeter, of mass it was gram, and of time it is second. Then the second system is the FPS, that is the foot, pound, second system. In this, the unit of length was taken to be as 1 foot, which is equal to 12 inches. Unit and symbol of mass was taken to be as pound, and the unit and symbol of time was taken as second. Now, these two systems could not be used throughout the world because the value of foot or pound can be used in one country but not in other countries. Similarly, centimeter and gram, they were very small. Now, it has to be a certain unit which can be accepted everywhere universally. Then came the system MKS. It stands for meter, kilogram, second, or the metric system. In this system, we have the unit of length as meter, unit of mass as kilogram, and unit of time as second. So as such, we follow this MKS system. Now see the second table. In this, the SI units of the basic quantities and their symbols are given. Now it is very important for you to learn all these symbols and the SI units of the physical quantities. The SI unit of length is meter and it is written as small m. The SI unit of mass is written as kilogram and the symbol is small kg. For time, it is second and it is written as small s, and the temperature has the unit Kelvin and it is represented as capital K. Now, when you are writing Kelvin, it is written in small letters, but when you are just writing the symbol, you write it as capital K because Kelvin was the name of a person. That is the reason when you write the symbol for the SI unit, you write it as a capital K. So children, read these parts in your book and try to understand the basic physical quantities. Tomorrow, we will learn about the convention while writing the SI units, that is measuring length, mass, time, temperature, etc.